Look, there's a tree down.
Oh man. I'll have to go back through there.
Yeah, I can. So did they get flooded?
No. You came right up to their driveway though.